In this lesson, we're going to look at addition. There are two methods for adding numbers. We can add numbers horizontally, or we can use the columns. Let's start by adding these three numbers horizontally. So what we do, we expand the numbers, right? So the hundreds, let's look at the hundreds. It's going to be 500. From 584 there, the 100 is 500. And then from 627, we have 600. And then from 481, we have 400. So these are the hundreds. Okay. And then we've added the hundreds. Then plus, we go to the tens. From this number, the tens, there we have 80 plus 20, then plus 80. These are the tens. Okay, and then we go to the units. Plus the units, we have 4, we have 7, we have 1. You see that? So we have expanded the numbers, and now we add them according to their place values. Right, so we have 500 plus 600 plus 400. 600 plus 400 is 1000, plus 500 is 1500. So we have 1500, and then plus, go to the tens. This is 100, 100 plus 80, 180. Then plus the units. This is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12, right? And then this is 192, 192. And then plus 1500 is going to be 1692. Right, that's that. The other method can be using columns. Let's use columns. 584 plus 627 plus 481. So these are the units, these are the tens, these are the hundreds, and then you can have the thousands even there. And 10,000 goes on like that. So we're adding these. So let's start by adding the units. We say 4 plus 7, which is 11, 11 plus 1, which is 12. So 12 units. 12 units mean what? 12 units mean we have 110 and 2 units. So you write down the units, the 2 units, and then you carry the 10 to the tens. Okay, so we add this 110 from these 12 units to the tens. So now we have 8 plus 1 plus 2 plus 8. 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 2, 11, plus 8 is 19. 19 what? 19 tens. 19 tens. So 19 tens means that we have 9 tens and 100. Because 19 tens is 190, isn't it? So we have 9 tens and 100. So you write the 9 under the tens and then carry the 100 to the hundreds. So now it becomes 1 plus 5 plus 6 plus 4. So 1 plus 5, that is 6. 6 plus 4, that is 10. 10 plus 6, that is 16. So we have 16 hundreds. Right, 16 hundreds mean that we have 6 hundreds and 1000. 1600 is like this. So these are the 6 hundreds and then 1000. So you write the 6 hundreds here and then carry the 1000 to the thousands. So it becomes here. Then we don't have any other thousand here. So it becomes just 1000 plus 0, which is 1. And then we're getting a 1692. All right, let's have another example. It says find the sum of 527 plus 472 plus 384. We can start by adding horizontally. We have the hundreds. We have 500 plus 400 plus 300. We've added the hundreds, then we go to the tens, plus 20 plus 70 plus 80. These are the tens. We go to the units, plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. Okay, and then what do we have? 500, 900, 1200. So we have 1200 from the hundreds, plus 20 plus 8 is 100, plus 70 is 170. So we have 170 there. Then the units, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 4, 13. Right? You can add these two. This is 183. Right? And then 183 plus 1200 here is going to be 1383. Okay. Let's use the columns method. These are the units, tens, hundreds. We may have the thousands here. Right. Let's just add this. Right. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 4, that is 13. 13 units mean 3 units and 1 10. Write the units, 3, then carry the tens to the tens. So it's 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. These are 18 tens. 18 tens mean we have 8 tens and 100. So you carry the 100 to the hundreds. So it becomes 1 plus 5, which is 6. 6 plus 4, which is 10. 10 plus 3, which is 13. These are 1300s. And then 1300s mean we have 300s. We write it down like this. And then 1000. 1000. Then carry the 1000 to the thousands. Then becomes 1 there. We don't have any other 1000. So it becomes 1 plus 0 plus 0, which is 1. Then we have 1383.